Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about s equal to secant of t. So I will put this one going here. You got about secant of t squared minus 1. So we change this one into tan t squared, and later that we simplify by the square root. ds we got about secant of t tan t dt. So I will put this one going here. ds we change by this one. And s we change by this one. Secant of t squared minus 1 we change tan t squared. Secant of t we simplify. This one you got about tan t. Tan t and tan t you got about tan t squared. Next, we have the formula in here. Tan t squared equals to secant of t squared minus 1. So I will put this one going here. The integration of secant of t squared you got about tan t. Number 1 that's about t, and we put about c. About t that is about this one, and we got about t equals to secant of s. So I will put this one to change for t. This is the end. Thank you for watching.